Hey guys, it's Theo, and yes, I'm in my bathroom right now because I think I'm gonna cut my hair. Okay, so I never really cut my own hair or do anything at all with it, and it's been a while since my last video that I went to a hairdresser, so my hair got pretty long and it's flat. It has like no texture at all, and my ends they are just pretty dry. So I knew for a while that I had to get them cut, but after Christmas I just don't have enough money left, so I'm just gonna do it on my own. I saw a video recently of Mondo explaining the butterfly cut and some girls trying it out, so that's just what I'm gonna do today. So wish me luck, I'm just gonna hop into the shower and see you all in a minute. I'm back. So my hair is all wet now and I already prepared some scissors and one of those combs. First things first, let's brush. Actually, there's another reason why I really wanna cut my own hair now. It's kind of... I have this mindset that if there's a professional, then you shouldn't do it yourself. And that's bullshit. I mean, don't get me wrong, but to a certain degree, you can do things yourself. And I managed to pass this mindset in almost anything related to handiwork. So renovating your house, plumbing, electricity, taking care of your car. I can do those things to a certain degree. And all of those things were stuff I thought I couldn't do it on myself. Until I tried it or watched how other people do it. So I don't know why cutting hair is such a big deal for me. It's not like they perform magic and it just happens. I mean, maybe some of them do, but they had to go to school and learn the skill. So I'm not saying that you should go and build yourself a space rocket or something like that, but basic skills like relating about yourself, taking care of yourself, you should be able to do them on yourself. So my hair has come through. I'm just gonna search for some elastics. There we go. So this haircut is pretty simple. Just look for the top of your head, and then from there on to your ears and part them. So I'm gonna... Come on. Better. Okay. I'm probably gonna cut some curtain bangs as well, but let's just see how this one turns out. I don't know if that's like a good part or not, but I'm just gonna keep it. And then onto the other side. I feel like I should do more. This is not the finished product, I just need to get the back hair out of the way. It's annoying. It took me so long to part my hair that it's already drying, so I'm just gonna reapply. I know this looks ridiculous, but he said unicorn in the front and pony in the back, so let's go and do the pony. I kind of hope to learn to speak more freely on a camera. It's one of the purposes of this video. But I'm just not spontaneous, I'm not even funny, so I don't know. I'm gonna think that it's entertaining to watch me. I don't think it's high enough. Now let's go smooth it out. Easier said than done. A lot of hair. The thing is, I have a lot of hair. It just flatters. And I'm not gonna curse anymore in these videos. Just very flat. I think that's a nice high ponytail. Well, did the second need to fix the first? Why? So that's what it looks like. Yeah. So I've got my scissors and now we're gonna cut. Brad Mondo said you should cut at least 4 inches. I don't know what inches mean. Oh no! Amazon just saw my doorbell wrong and I had to take it. Obviously I couldn't go out like this, so I took out the front part and left the back part in. I don't think he saw it, but which means I have to redo it. So now we can go to cutting. And I swear to God, if another one rings the door, I am just gonna ignore it. So again, with the 4 inches, I don't know what 4 inches are, so I mean, this part is like the front, so it doesn't really, not gonna take much of the length off if I just cut it. Like this. Maybe. Just gonna go with all of that. Okay, so we are gonna point downwards and cut it. Yeah, that's off. Now we're gonna do the same on the back. So he was kind of like holding it that way. My hair's way too long for this again. Holding it that way and then cutting. I'm just gonna cut off that much because I feel that this is the dead part. Okay. I'm just gonna brush through it, kind of make it more even, and then we can open it and see what we've done. You're not gonna see it, do you? Just a bit of the bank. I can definitely see the layers, which is a good thing. I'm gonna go and blow dry them and I'm gonna see the results, and then I'm gonna decide if I wanna cut my cotton bangs as well. Which, at this point, I'm not sure if I want. See you in a minute. So guys, I'm back from blow drying my hair, and this is the final result. It's still pretty long. I should have taken more length off, but I hope my camera is focusing. So you can see a couple of layers here and there. I'm not sure how it looks from behind, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome, so I'm probably gonna leave it. So yeah, that's my hair after doing the butterfly cut. I'm probably not gonna cut my bangs today, since I'm pretty happy with the outcome and don't want to mess it up anymore. But yeah. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you all next week. Ciao ciao!